friends, God bless you and welcome. My name is Penny, and on today's video I will be cleaning my windows in the den. And the good things about these windows is I can pull them down and open them from the inside out. And I'm telling you, you probably have what you need in your home to clean your windows. Thank you so much for stopping in. As you see in the video, friends, I have water stains on the outside of my window, and that comes from the outside facing the road. And being that I can pull my windows down and clean them, it is so much easier. Now, I tried many other methods, and some things work and some things did not work. I tried the vinegar and water by itself to see if it could work, but unfortunately, it really did not work. Friends, as I was searching around to do this project to clean my windows, and I'm still cleaning some things for the spring, I looked on the internet and I did find they said that vinegar and water will move window spots. And I did make my vinegar a little stronger than usual, because usually I add half and half, but I made it a little more stronger, and it still unfortunately did not work. I have seen products online to get rid of water spots or water stains on windows and mirrors, but I did not want to try to buy anything. So I was trying different things just to see if I can get it clean again. As I'm trying to do this, you can't really tell in the video about the spots, but I did add something else to this, guys, that I didn't put in this video, and I'm telling you, it's a secret I'm gonna share with you guys. You probably done seen it on the thumbnail, but I'm telling you, it really does help me get rid of the water spots or stains on the windows. Friends, as I'm still in my spring cleaning, I wanted to clean my windows, and I am going to use what I use for my stainless steel refrigerator appliances. And guys, let me tell you something. It got the water spots, the stains on my windows, it got it off. And let me tell you something. You do not have to use a whole lot. And as I'm trying this, I did spray a lot at first, and I did use my SOS pad, but I'm telling you, it doesn't really take much to do it. And immediately after, I used the vinegar and water, and it works.
I was lost, couldn't find my way, but then I heard him from within, he who died for my sins. He spoke my name, then I saw his face. Yes, I've seen his eternal glory. I felt his hand when I was astray. I never knew until then what his love truly meant. I was lost, but now I'm found by his grace. By his grace, by his grace, I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. By his grace, by his grace, I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. He is the Lamb, and he is the...
Friends, truly is God's grace I'm telling you, I've never seen no one ever did this before, and I had to share it with you because sometimes it's just what we have, and through the grace of God, He will show us how to put this work together. And what we're doing on YouTube just give us creative ideas, and I just give God the glory. And I am cleaning 3 of these windows, and then immediately after this I will be on the outside. So tell me what you think about this. I hope y'all could try this, and remember, you only need just a little bit.
He is always there through hope and despair. And when I'm lost, I'm always found by His grace. By His grace.
And here I am on the outside, and I'm going to do the same thing on the outside. And I hope that you can get a tip on this today, guys. Tell me if you ever heard of cleaning windows like this. It is so simple. All you need is just a little bit of stainless steel cleaner, what you use on your appliance, and I use just a little SOS pad to scrub it if you have too much stains, and that's all I did. And immediately after, I use my vinegar and water, and just use the vinegar and water repeatedly until you get a clean glass, and it removes the stains, especially on the outside of my windows. My husband said it looks so much better, and it does. So this is me still cleaning for the spring. There's so much work to do, guys. As you look around, there's still more work to do. So I thank you so much for being a part of this.
I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. By His grace, by His grace. I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. By His grace, by His grace. I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. By His grace, by His grace. I've been saved by the grace of our Lord.
And friends, if you do clean your windows, don't forget to remove the screen to get the inside of the seal of the window, because that's where all the bugs were hidden at. I didn't show you guys that, but I took time to clean out the seal of the windows also. So friends, tell me, what do you do to clean your windows? I would love to hear about how you're doing your spring cleaning, because we still got to clean our home one space at a time. Friends, I always try to do the shout outs on my cleaning videos as often as I can, and the shout out goes today to Miss Julia from Accessorizing My Life. Friends, go check out Miss Julia, her channel. She does makeup, some shopping videos, some vlogging videos, and guys, you're going to love her channel. Thank you, Miss Julie, for being so faithful. I appreciate you. God bless you. And her link will be in my description box. I want to thank all my faithful friends and followers, and anyone that is new. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. You joining and subscribing. Guys, God bless y'all. May the grace of God be with you. Friends, I got some more windows to clean. I love you, and I hope you continue to be a part of this channel. And y'all have a blessed, prosperous day, knowing that God love you, and have a blessed day from Penny. God bless you, and bye-bye.